Hello guys, welcome to Tomar tutorial. I am Abhishek Tomar. Here I will teach you MongoDB. Now comes to the lecture 3. I have already discussed what is introduction of MongoDB and how to download MongoDB and installing the MongoDB. Now it's time to lecture 3, setting the path of the MongoDB and MongoChef. What is the need to set the path of MongoDB? I will told you in this lecture. Okay, before going to the lecture 3, I want to give you overview of lecture 1 and lecture 2. In lecture 1, Introduction to MongoDB, we have read that MongoDB is open source document oriented database written in the C++ language. It is NoSQL database and high performance, high scalable database and supports the JSON format of the data. JSON is look like that. It consists the curly brackets. Okay, what is NoSQL database? NoSQL is non-relational distributed horizontal scalable. And what the types of the NoSQL database are? Four types. Here we are discussing about the document oriented database, which is MongoDB and CouchDB. Here we are discussing MongoDB. Okay, and what comparison of the MongoDB with the RDBMS? Table, collection, row, document. In the RDBMS join support, but the MongoDB there is no joins. Okay, this is the overview of the lecture 1. Now we comes to the lecture 2, download and install the MongoDB. I have already show you how to download MongoDB and install MongoDB. What problem we have faced during the installation of the MongoDB, I have showed you in the previous lecture. If you didn't see the previous lecture, you have to need to see the previous lecture. In this lecture we have seen that there is a problem. We have to make a directory named data and another directory inside this directory named db in the C program C data C directory. Means inside C we have make a data and inside data we have a make a db, then it will run perfectly. Now comes to the lecture 3, setting the path of the MongoDB. What is the path? If you are familiar with the Java, then you know what is the path and how we set the path in the Java. It is also look like that. If you are not familiar with Java, then there is no need to worry how to set the path, and I will show you how to set the path. Okay. So what is the need to set the path in in the in the MongoDB? Here I will show you some example. If we open a command window, then we have to navigate the path to run the MongoD cd program files, cd MongoD, cd server, cd 3.4, cd bin. Now we have to navigate the whole path to the bin directory of the MongoDB. Then if we type MongoD, then it will run. Means MongoDB has been started on the port number 27017. Okay, if we don't want to navigate the path, I have already told you the alternate way. Just hold down the shift key and right click here, open command window here. Here it is also navigate the path, but we have bypassed that things. Okay, if we type here Mongo, then it started normally, there is no problem. But why we hold the shift key and navigate the full path? We have to set the path. There is no need to hold the shift key and there is no need to navigate the path like this. Means like this, there is no need to set the path. Okay, now it's time to set the path. Copy this path here, copy. Okay, open the system properties, advanced system setting, environment variable. Here I already set the path. Now I will show you how to set the path delete, new, type path and paste the path here. Okay, click OK, OK and OK. Here the path of the MongoDB has been set. Now I will show you how we don't have a need to navigate the path. Open command window, we have to just type MongoD. Okay, This is showing that the daemon has been started on the port number 27017. Okay, there is no need to navigate the path like before, and like holding the shift key, we don't have a need to click right click or anything else. We just have to type mongod. Okay, so you have to do this in your system, and after that, if we want to run mongo, then it is also running perfectly. If we type db test, means it's going fine. Okay, this is the how to set the path of the mongod. Okay, so and another topic in this lecture, MongoChef. What is the MongoChef? Many of the people are facing problem with working with the command prompt. Here I will show you. This is the mongo daemon which is started, and this is the mongodb. Here we have, if we want to work with the mongodb, we have to type the command here, show dbs, and use demo, use demo, show dbs. Here we have to type command, here we have to type the all commands in the command prompt. Many peoples are not fam are not familiar to working with the command prompt. They feel awkward. So many of the database and MongoDB is also provided the graphic user interface, which is MongoChef. We have to type the command in the MongoChef, and we don't have a need to run Mongo, only run the MongoD in previously. After that we have to go the MongoChef and working with that. As like SQL is also provide the SQL Yoga for graphic user interface, and Oracle is also the just like graphical user interface. Means graph GUI is very familiar for many people. People doesn't want to work with the command prompt. So I will show you how to download MongoChef, and how it's look like. I will show you. Just go to the browser, type here download MongoChef, download MongoChef. Here this is the official link. Click right click. You have to select your appropriate operating system, Mac, Linux, Unix, and Windows. I will tell you about the Windows. Download for Windows. There is no need to fill the form. It is automatically start downloading here. It takes few minutes. Okay, I have already downloaded the MongoChef, so I don't have a need to download this, so I will cancel this. And how to install MongoChef comes to this topic. Go to the download list. Here it is comes into the rar format. You have to extract the this WinRAR zip archive file. Then you will found this folder, and double click inside. You will found an application or Windows installer like this. So how to install MongoChef? Just double click. Please wait for a minute. It is installing. It takes some times. If you feel good working with the command prompt, then there is no need to download MongoChef and install the MongoChef. Okay, so you will work with the command prompt. If you want to GUI, then it comes into the picture. MongoChef comes into the picture. Finish. Okay, MongoChef is now installed on the your system, and search MongoChef. Here is MongoChef. It takes some times to start. Okay, if you have to make a connection here. Okay, connection, this is my previous connection. I have already done something, so I will delete this. Okay, new connection. New connection means tutorial. I want to make a connection, name tutorial, and save. Connect. Here connecting to the localhost 27017. Okay, it will take few minutes, just wait. Why it is taking time, and after that it will show an error? Because it is connecting to the localhost 27017, port number 27017. Till now the port number 27017 is not started. Let's read this. Timeout 3000 millisecond while waiting for server matches, means port is not connecting with the server. Okay, so you have to start post port firstly. Okay, close this, click here, command prompt, type to mongodb. Okay, now the port number 27017 has been started. If you click connect, tutorial, connect, now this is the connection has been started. You have seen there is no time lags. uh, if you want to new connection, then connect, new connection, and tutorials 1, save. Tutorials once you want to start, connect. Now tutorials once has been started. Okay, uh, where we write the commands to run the MongoDB commands. Here is an Intel shell. You have to click here, Intel shell. This is in which connection you want to work. You have to click here, and this is the just like a command prompt. You have to write here commands and click here run. Okay, I will show you db and click execute statement at the cursor admin. Here is the db admin. Db command shows what is the current working database is running. Admin database is running. And there is also one command I have already told you, show dbs. If you run, there are two databases present in the this connection. Okay, so this is all about the MongoChef and how we work in the MongoChef, the commands of the MongoDB. Now the main lecture will be started from the lecture 4, and how to create and drop the database, what is collection and what is database, and many more things. This is all about the MongoChef and how to set the path. Okay, thank you for watching. Hope you guys learned something. For more update and videos, please subscribe the channel.